Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring 2D shapes. Kids, first we are using the color of blue, and the next one is red, the next one is yellow, and the next one is white, the next one is green, and the last one is the color of black. First we are coloring the shape of star, and the next one is pentagon, and the next one is square, the next one is triangle, the next one is circle, and the last one is trapezoid. First we are using the color of blue. Kids, now we mixing and using the color of blue. And first we coloring the shape of star. Now we are coloring the shape of star. Kids, the next one is pentagon. Now we are using the color of red. Now we are mixing and using the color of red. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The color of red. Kids, now we're using the color of red and coloring the shape of pentagon. Kids, the next one is the shape of square. Now we're using the color of yellow. Kids, now we're using the color of yellow. First we're mixing yellow color. And now we draw the shape of square. The shape of square. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we are using the color of yellow. The next one is triangle. Now we are using the color of white. Now we're mixing white color. The shape of triangle. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we're mixing and using white color. Kids, the next one is circle. The shape of circle. Now we are using the color of green. Now we're mixing and using the color of green. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is trapezoid, the shape of trapezoid. Now we are using the color of black. Kids, now we are using black color. The color of black. Subscribe to our channel. Now we coloring the shape of trapezoid. Today we draw 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.